Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm at the Mindfield here in Brownsville, Tennessee, and I've got the Insta360 Antigravity A1. We're going to be taking this thing through the sculpture. Should be pretty interesting because this is a 360 camera and I'll be able to look all the way around it and test this thing out. So let me go ahead and get it up in the air here. Okay, and as I'm kind of like just flying just through here alone, I can look downward, I can look to my left, I can look to my right. I can see all of the things that I really don't want to run into. Oh, look how cool that is. I can look down, I can look all through down into here. Definitely a neat place to take a 360 drone. This structure is called the Mindfield. It's by Billy Tripp. It's in Brownsville, Tennessee. As I was saying earlier, there's a yearly drone event that's hosted here by Ken Herron. You can check that, the Mindfield meet. And we were just passing through Brownsville today, and I figured I would give the 360 a try. Oh, look at that. Here I can very clearly see what's there, and I don't mind dropping down a little bit. I can just kind of pretty safely drop down. I could even go all the way down into there, but I won't. Yeah, I'm just moving my head around and I can see everything. So that's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. As far as the drone itself, I do feel like the controls are just not as refined compared to the DJI Avata 360, but it did get better with the firmware update. For example, I can yaw with the controller and it will turn. You couldn't do that until the recent firmware update, or at least when I tried it, it did not work. That's good. This was not here the last time I was at the event. Looks to be like some sort of radio tower remnants. Definitely like looks like a cell phone tower, honestly. Repurposed. And it's got a message on it. I also have a little windmill here. Very cool. Billy Tripp, who is the creator of the Mindfield, is always working on something in here. In fact, while I was flying earlier, he came out and he's working on stuff right now. He's working on the boat, actually. So, yeah, he's always putting new stuff in here. And, ooh, I could see that line perfectly. Ooh. Might even be able to catch Billy working on something right now. I think he went inside. It is really hot out here. Really hot. But yeah, this is a great place to fly. It's great for FPV. It's great for exploring stuff like this. Yeah, I'm really liking being able to look around at things, especially in this, because obviously this whole thing is this whole thing is a huge hazard to navigate inside. And so having that ability to look around is really cool. I'm gonna try flying through the culvert here. I'm gonna fly through the culvert here. That person is like, oh, what is this? This is unique. Oh, it wasn't so windy, I feel like I would just push it through there. I'm not brave enough. If I wasn't borrowing this, I would probably do it, but I'm just not brave enough. So I can look up above me. What's above me? See, if I want to just like rise up from here, it's not even a question. I can just go up because I can see. Oh, and actually, I can see that right there that I definitely might have hit if I was not using this. So that's always good. I'm gonna fly in through here. Oh yeah, look at those wires that are right in there. I know that Billy actually removes a lot of the wires right before the event that's hosted here every year, but you know, when the rest of the year it has every single wire needed to hold it together. Very cool. This is so cool. Digital feed looks good. We are close range though, so I mean we're not putting this thing to a difficult test or anything like that. But for close range flying like this, it's working really, really well here. I'm gonna look down at this. It's just a cool way to fly. Would love to see Insta360's technology added to like a drone that I could build myself, like an FPV drone. Because these goggles are nice. The goggles are pretty comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure my phone is overheated, so let me check that and probably call it quits. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the Insta360 A1 Antigravity. Great little flight here through the Mindfield. If you're passing through Brownsville, Tennessee, come check it out. It's drone friendly. I gotta cool off. We'll do some more flying, but I gotta cool off. It's like I said, it is 92 degrees, 94 degrees out here. I'm hot. You guys take care. I'm gonna do some flying after I cool off. So you guys take care.